No matter what lighting solution you're looking for, a new ultra-thin LED ceiling light is here to fit the bill. Don't believe it? Let's dive right in. Plus, we've got a little surprise for you. We have a detailed product PDF catalog that we will be giving away for free at the end of this video. Our ultra-thin ceiling light comes in a complete range of sizes and power outputs, from diameters ranging from 280mm to 750mm, and power outputs from 20 power to 80 power. With just a 2 cm body thickness, and not exceeding 3 cm even with the mounting base, it ensures a perfect fit on your ceiling. It's easy to install and replace, and most wattage versions share the same mounting base. We also offer a selection of frame colors: white, black, gold, wooden, and silver. And with a high color rendering index raw of greater than 80, this downlight ensures the most accurate color representation. It's versatile and suitable for a variety of indoor spaces like bedrooms, living rooms, dining rooms, kitchens, and hallways. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll guide you through the installation process of this ultra-thin ceiling light. Kinganon is an original factory with 10 years of experience in lab production. If you want to learn more about our latest lighting fixtures, their installation, usage, and how they're manufactured and maintained, please visit our YouTube page by clicking the link below. For more detailed product specifications and the latest updates, visit our official website. The link can be found in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.